Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Carter Farr Show. I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. And guys, we are now going to be posting so much content. It is absolutely crazy. We're going to be doing daily podcasts. I know I've been slacking, but we're going to do daily podcasts and posting several times on the Carter Farr channel. So make sure you guys subscribe to both of them so you guys can stay up to date. But we have a very special episode today. We're going to be talking about a stock that has been absolutely crushing it. It's up about 60% this month, and it's DWAC, also known as Digital World Acquisition. We're going to be talking about the must-knows for investing into this company. So I hope you guys all enjoy the video. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. And guys, we are almost at 140 subscribers, which is crazy. So make sure you guys subscribe, stay up to date, subscribe right now, because we're going to be posting a lot of investing, money management, swing trading, day trading, all types of, money hacks, how to make more money. And that's all we care about here today. So for those of you that don't know what DWAC is also known as Digital World Acquisition. They merged, or they're merging, I should say, with Trump Media to create this social media platform that we all know called Truth, right? Truth is pretty much just like a hybrid between Facebook and Twitter. It believes in more free speech, and the reason why it got so popular so fast is because of Donald Trump. And Donald Trump, we all know, he was the president of the United States. He had millions of votes, and with millions of votes, he has influence. Anytime you have influence, you can get a lot of things done faster. And what I mean by that is when he made this site called Truth, he hit 1 million active users faster than Twitter did, which is awesome, right? Competing with some of the largest social media sites out there. So why is the stock up so much in the past month? Well, it's very simple. Donald Trump hints for a 2024 run, right? A lot of people think, and he even mentioned that there is going to be some in a very short period of time. You guys are going to be very happy, right? It pretty much hinting towards that presidential run, which caused the stock that he heavily influences to pop up, go from about $15, $16 all the way up to about a hair over $30. Okay, so right now, kind of what we see in the market is a whole bunch of these free speech stocks, right? We have Rumble, we have Truth, which is DWAC, and the third one is Twitter, right? Elon Musk bought Twitter, and he plans on doing a very similar thing, which is going to be interesting to see what happens. The advantage of Twitter is there's already millions of people on there and daily on there. Right now, DWAC, or Truth, what we should call it, has more of the right side, right? Has more of the Republican Party on that platform, just because it was designed pretty much by Trump, right? And he had a lot of influences, and a lot of his influence is over the Republican side, right? And Twitter has a little bit of both because it's been out longer, right? So right now, another issue we faced with Truth is the company has about $1 billion market cap. So that's pretty much what the market determines how much it's worth, right? And it easily very well could be. But the issue we face also with it is it doesn't bring in any money. It's extremely expensive to run this site with millions of people on it, and they have no revenue. Anytime you have no revenue inside a company, it's a ticking time bomb before it collapses, right? Because how can you sustain a company if you're not bringing in money? Right now, there's so many investors that they're kind of using that money to keep this thing afloat. But this right now is it's a higher risk, higher reward play. And a lot of people like to say, well, Carter, this thing's going to pop up once he announces. Yes, right? I believe when he officially announces his presidential run, this thing is going to squeeze. Sorry, my dog is barking. This thing is going to squeeze like crazy. But with that, just as fast as it's gone up, if we look at the chart, it's gone from 17 to 30, and now it's stair-stepping its way down because the market cap and and pretty much everything does not match the fundamentals. It doesn't match the revenue. It doesn't match, the earnings per share. It doesn't match anything inside the company. So investors are selling their shares, right? They're taking that profit and most likely holding until we get back down to the $17 mark again, or until he announces his official presidential run. So guys, for me, answering that question that everybody has is, should you buy this stock, right? For me, I think it's a high risk, high reward play. I always think it's worth having some shares of this, just because if that's just say you put 1 or 2% of your portfolio size into this, what that means is for every $100 you have invested into other stocks, assets, bonds, ETFs, feel comfortable putting $1 or $2 into a more riskier play. And if this thing squeezes up, right, you have shares, you make some money, and you always can buy more. But on the flip side, if this thing just tanks down, because there is still some hurdles with the merger, right? It's not officially merged. There's some legal and some financial hurdles that we have to get through with Trump Media and DWAC. So if the merger doesn't plan out, this thing's going to tank down. And if it does, you're only out 1 to 2% of your portfolio size, which is not that much. So guys, that's kind of what's going on with the company. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. And if you guys did, there's so much to talk about. If you guys did, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel, guys. But other than that, we'll see you guys either maybe later today. If I get motivated to film another video, we'll do another one here today, or if not today, tomorrow. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you later. Take care.